Hello friends, welcome back to Android Tutorials. And in this video, I am going to explain you the second part of our uh, video in which we are going to take the images from the Firebase to our Android application. And in this video, I am going to explain you how to add the on-click listener on the recycler view. So let's begin with today's video. But in this today's video, I am going to revise some short topics about Android Studio. So let's begin. So first of all, we are going to add the build.gradle dependencies. You can see that here. So if you don't watch that our previous video, then you can continue with our today's video. You will automatically cover that full video. So here is our both implementation which you have to implement. So here I am going to write implement this dependency, and after that we are going to write model for our image links. So here I am going to write a public model. So first is a string image link, and we need one empty constructor for Firebase. And after we are going to make the constructor for us so that we can get set the link, and after we are going to implement getters and setters in our application with our string image link. After we complete this, we are going to write one base and the card for our recycler view. So I am going to change the constraint layout to the recycler view, and give its id, that is recycler view, and I'm going to make one card view list item that will create this card view, and we are going to add this card view many times. So here I had set one card view and given its height of 225 dp, and after that I am going to give its margin start and end of 1010 dp, and margin top bottom is given 5 dp, and I had also added the card corner radius to 8 dp and card elevation is 5 dp, and attach one image view, that is online image, and width is match parent and its height is also match parent, and then its scale tab is center crop, and its content description is simply app name. So by this we are going to make one card for our application. After that we are going to attach this both in our adapter, and then we are going to attach our adapter with our main activity. So this was our previous part of our part 1, and now in this video of part 2 we are going to add on click listener on that button. But before that I would like you to request about subscribe to our channel Android Tutorials, because I am doing the hard work daily and you are not subscribing our channel, so it's not feeling good. So subscribe to our channel, and also like and share this Android tutorial in your Facebook groups and Telegram groups and all there. So share this video and subscribe to our channel, and you can also watch our wallpaper app series which we had created using Pixels API. So we had created a premium apps, and I had also given you the free source code. So subscribe is necessary for you. After I am going to add the interface to our adapter. So first let me explain you how we had attach our adapter with our uh, card view and recycler view. So first we are going to make for our list item. So in that we have created a new class with adapter and extend that with Firebase Firestore recycler adapter. And the first parameter I given is model, and second parameter will come adapter.viewHolder. Now this is the new class in inner class in a adapter. So here you can see that public class view holder extend with recycler view holder, and here is one image view which is globally in the view holder class, and given its find view by id, and then set on click listener on it, which is the this part option. After add attach that with main activity, so you can see that this simply this much work we had done. Now we are going to get the link, means I'm going to show just a toast, but you can start a new intent for that and do process afterward. So I am going to explain you with today's video. So in this video I'm going to add the on-click listener on that image. So here you can see that first we have to create a public interface, and you can give its name on list item click. Now we are going to create one method that is on copy click, and after we are going to write model snapshot and just leave this as it is and declare this globally and add in the constructor. So here you can see that here is our on list item click, and after we set it in the constructor, and then when we have to come to our image view and set on click listener on that, and after we are going to write on list item click on copy click, and in that we are going to get item with get adapter position. So after this we have to implement this adapter on click item click interface into our application. So I am writing implements on list item click. So we will generate one error. So after adding that error we will get this custom method, so where we are going to simply make the toast of our snapshot.getImageLink. link. Now if you want to start one intent, then you can write intent, and intent is equal to new intent, or you can write your activities name, and after uh, get that image link into snapshot dot get image link. So after you get that image link we are going to write intent dot put extra, and here you have to write url and then image link. So after that you will get this image, this intent into the next intent, and after you can cast it in the full size image view. So this was our Android tutorial. If you enjoyed this video, then please make sure you like, share and subscribe to our channel Android tutorials for watching more videos. Thanks for watching.